All right, folks, this is Amtrak 548 to Sacramento. 8312 Mount Inyo leads off. Thanks for the horn show. Mount Inyo leads off on this set. It's a 4-card set. AC-44 Supercharger 2106, tailing in the back. And that train is going eastbound to Sacramento, the final stop. Continue on to Emeryville, Berkeley, Richmond, Martina, Fairfield, Statue, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and the final stop for that train, Sacramento. At Sacramento Station, there are bus connection to downtown Reno, including Reno Sparks, Nevada, and also connection to the train 14, Coast Starlight tours, Chico, Ready, and Dunsmuir, Clement Falls, and all the way up to Oregon. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.